Hey everyone, well, we did it. We made it through our first day of hanging our Siga vapor barrier. And it was, it went pretty well, but it was a lot of trial and error. We had 3 folks with us. We actually created a T-type jig where we had one person hold up the membrane, another person pulling tension, and then the third person was actually adhering the membrane to the trusses. So what we ended up doing is on the trusses, we used Siga's double-sided tape. And then we also used some staples here and there. So we ran our line, we've got, so one roll for this house covered essentially, about a quarter of the house. So we had ordered 4 rolls, we're gonna need 2 more. So, learning as you go. I think the other detail that was really interesting today was around the order of things. So if you can see above me, we got the membrane up and then we installed the top plate for the wall. But then we made a mistake because we forgot to put the seam on there to seal the seam. So then we had to pull the top plate down, retape it, put it back up. So again, these are just kind of little lessons learned when you're doing this. We're even thinking about putting the drywall up first on the ceiling before we build the walls up, because it would be much more efficient to do that. So again, we're still kind of figuring this out. But I do want to give a shout out to Steve Constantino at Performance Building Tapes up in Portland, Maine. For just being a great supporter and helper of our project. He's always there when I've got questions and all that. But you know what? We made some good progress today. Super happy. I'm going to be spending the evening. How's that sound like for Tuesday night here in Brown County? What are you doing? I'm taping the seal of my interior membrane. How cool is that? I think it's kind of cool. So, enjoy the video, and it's an experiment and an adventure. We'll catch you all later.